Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in class 7th English, and we all know that this is our second unit and the name of the unit is Inspiring by People Who Inspire Us, and the chapter name is for the village school, right? Yesterday I gave you the introduction about the situation of the village. The village name is Sajoy, which is situated in Varanasi. In that village, people did not give the importance of the education, and that's why they are not stepped out from the village also for the education. And in this village, three girls whose name is Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina, who got the education, who completed their school education, and also went outside for further study of the further study, right? And that's why they want to change the face of the village, and that is why they are struggles. What are the struggles they have to face, that we have to learn in this chapter. And they informed us that in the Basti, right, a young age boy and girls are ignored the education and started working, right? They are starting, for the girls they have to working in the household works, for the boys picking the garbage, then boot polishing and all these things. They have to work in the farm also, right? So these are the scenario. She informed, the girls informed to us. Now what are they do then after? So says that the girls decided to take matters into their hands. Now to take matters into their hands means what? It means to do something themselves. Themselves means what? It means for the village boys and girls, right? They want to do something for themselves. So they says that to decide to do something themselves, among for them. And so what did the girls decide? So the girls decided to take matters into their own hand. They started going door to door to ask students to go to school, and it is the basic and it presents scenario also. Some of the village, for example in Rajasthan, Bihar, right, UP, in some of the state, in the village, the teachers, government teachers nowadays also, they are going to door to door and inform the students, collect the students, and then after the teachers took them into the school, and then after this give the education. At present scenario, this is also in that village that they have to go. They started going to door, ask students to go to school. They said, why should you live at home? You should go to school and learn yourself. They got in the touch with the Human Welfare Association and NGO in Varanasi, right? NGO means non-government office and non-government organization. It is the NGO. So they got in touch with Human Welfare Association. So how did they do this? First of all, what did they do? So they started going door to door and asked the students to go to school, and then after, which institution did train and support them? So the institution name is Human Welfare Association, which is situated in Varanasi, and also train them to take on the challenge and provide them with support. They also support them and also says that you should take on this challenge and we will supporting you. Now the girls found a small public place where they started a school, right? They have to find out one small public place, and that place they had started the school. So where did the girls start the school? So they started a school near the one small public place. The school was meant for the children who had never stepped out of their home or had dropped out of school because of problems at home. So this school is not only for the students, but this school is for what? Those students who had never stepped outside of the village or home and who dropped out the school in the middle of the time. This is for, that's why they are made the school. So here, which difficult, What was the purpose for the starting the school? So main purpose is what? That they want to give the education to the children who had never stepped outside of their home and also dropped out of the school because of their problems at home. That's why they are starting the school. It was very difficult in the beginning. It was very difficult in the beginning. And yes, when you have started a new work, it was very difficult for us. Students would just not show up. They did not give the interest into the school that I want to go to the school. But we did not give up. Thereafter they did not give up. We would go to their houses every day and ask them to come to our school. Every day they went to their houses and said that come with me, come to the school. They are saying use this statement. And finally, after 6 months of doing this, students started coming to school without us having to drag them for their homes. Tabassum recalled. Tabassum informed them after the 6 months. Before the 6 months, what did they have to do? They have to drag the students from their houses to school, right? Because they did not give up. Students did not show. Would just not show up their enthusiasm. Okay, I want to come to the school. They did not show us that. That's why they had all the girls dragged all the students into the school and said that you should sit here and we will teach you. After 6 months, the situation is normal that the students started coming to school without us having a drag them for their home. After 6 months, this finally happened. And now the students who are coming by themselves into the school. So what difficulties did the girls face in the beginning of the school? So first of all, the students would just not show up for the school. They would go to their houses every day and ask them to come to our school, and they have to drag to the school also. In the first month, they had 35 students. See that? At the first month, they had only 35 students. But after a year, they managed to enroll over 170 students in the school. How many students? See that? Beginning of the month, there is a 35 students. But after 1 year in their school, at least it means enroll 170 students. It is a very biggest success that they have to achieve. However, the battle was only half won as far as they were concerned. According to them, what is? It was only half done. They had done, but it is half done what they have planned to do. See that? When did they stop the drag to the students for the school? After the 6 month, right? After the 6 month, they stopped, or they stopped to drag the student for school after a 6 month. Say how many students had in the first month? So there are 170 students. So how many students had in the first month? So they had 35 students in the first month, and after 1 year they have to enroll 170 student. And however, the battle was only half won as far as they concerned. The biggest challenge was bring in those girls who had left school altogether. Now altogether means completely who left the school. Here, so what was the biggest challenge the girls had to face? So the girls has to face which the challenge that to bring in the girls who had left school completely, because those girls who left the schools, and that was the biggest challenge, that they have to convince their parents and convince the girls that you should come into the school, learn something, that it will help you in your future. That this is the biggest challenge for them. Their parents did not want these girls to leave their homes, right? Their parents did not want these girls to leave their homes. They did not allow that you will leave the house. They thought going to school was a waste of time for them, as they could do household work during the day. She says. See that. Here the question is also, what was the mentality of the other girls' parents? Now here this is not Tabassum, Tarannum. They are not talking about. I am not talking about Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina. Here Among the three girls, there are another girls also. I am talking about their girls. Those girls' parents, that their parents' mentality is what? They did not allow their girls to go outside of the house, and also says that going to school, it was the waste of the time, and also says that they could do household work during the daytime. They have to take care of their younger brothers and sisters. So these are their mentality. But the trio had a plan. Now trio means what? A group of three people. Trio means a group of three people. They were not ready to let go of their dream of educating the girls in the village. They were not ready to let go of their dream of educating the girls in their village. They did not give up, and also says that we did not want to let go of their dream. Let go of their dream, allow. We will not give up for that. Means whatever they have to plan, whatever their dream, that our village schools also get the education, and they will also achieve their goal. That is why they did not allow that we will not give up. Whether their parents believe or not believe, but it is our duty that we have to take the girls to our school. That's why what did they do? They started a small tailoring training center at the school, so that the families would let their daughters come there. So what had they planned? So they planned that they started a small tailoring training center, right? When it means why? According to them, what? If they started small training center, so obviously the parents would allow their daughters, okay, you will go learn tailoring skills, and in that way they come into the school. When the girls came to learn tailoring, we started teaching them as well. See that. Girls arrived, parents also allow them. They came for what? Tailoring work, right? When they came into the school, they started teaching them. Many parents got angry and asked us why we were teaching them when they had been sent to learn tailoring. See that. So they says that, see, how did they counter the challenge? Now see that, I told you that the parents did not allow them. It means the girls to go to the school, it was a waste of the time. So that's why they had to plan what? They have to start at one small tailoring training center. Parents allow their girls. When the girls came into the tailoring center, what did they do? They started teaching them as well. When they teaching them, obviously parents oppose them. They say one excuse, we had been sent these girls here for tailoring. Then why are you giving them education? So the girls replied is very nicely. They say that we would tell them that tailoring requires some measurements and calculation, and basic education is necessary for that. It was very beautiful and very acceptable answer, and said what? If your girls want to learn tailoring, right, tailoring skills, so they need some measurement, basic measurement and calculation. If they don't know measurement and calculation, it will not help. So they need some basic education also for exactly mathematics. It means measurement and calculation. That's why we are giving education. Their efforts led to the transformation of the village. When they first started their school in 2007, only 2 or 3 people in the village were educated. They started the school in 2007. So says that how many people were educated in the 2007 present time? So in 2007, only 2 or 3 people who were educated. The transformation, it means what? The complete change, that especially change that makes is better, right? Especially in the matter of the education. So says that there was the biggest effort, biggest change in the village. They say that when they first started their school in 2007, how many percent? Only 2 or 3 people in the village were educated. But nowadays, now says that girls proudly, 90% of children, including girls, go to school. See that. 90% of the students, including girls, who go to the school. See that. It is the very biggest. Whatever they had decided, right? Finally, they got success. Yes, it is the greatest dream for the girls came when not just the children but their mothers to begin to show an interest in education. Now, a great achievement is not only to come to the student or the children, but also their mother show their interest in the education. There are several women in the village now who no longer use their thumb impression as signature but can sign their own names. See that? It is very good thing that previously says that the women use thumb impression for the signature, but nowadays they are using their own name as a signature. So it is the very biggest great achievement for them. So says that what was the greatest dream of this mission? So their mothers, not only the children but the mother also show the interest in education, and in the village the girls also says that what the several women in the village nowadays they are using their own name as their signature instead of thumb impression. So student, I hope you had understand this chapter here thoroughly. Here I complete my second part. Next part tomorrow I will explain you. Thank you.